Here's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Capability without compromise isn't a dream. It's a CR-V. It comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, digital instrument gauges, smart entry key, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights lots of room for passengers and cargo, high fuel economy, user-friendly controls, ample tech and family-friendly features, nimble handling. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.